Hey guys, in today's video, Muslogy Auto has sent me the roast leather version of their interior liners. I've already done a full install video of the black ones, so this is just going to be a look at the roast leather and how well it complements the interior of a roast leather Bronco. In the comments below, let me know if you think it's a nice color, or if you'd rather stick with the black. Anyway, let's get into the review. A big thank you to Muslogy Auto for providing the product for this video. Originally, Muslogy Auto sent me this black interior trim kit, and I did an installation video on it. I'll put a link to that video above. And recently they sent me the roast leather look kit as well, to give a quick review on and just compare the black and the roast leather together. Depending on the camera angle or the lighting, the interior trim kit in roast leather can look very similar to the roast leather that comes from the factory. The black inserts are typically what you would expect on a vehicle like this, and the roast leather look ones, they give a little pop of color in there which you may not expect. Whether you choose the roast leather look kit or the black kit, they're really nicely finished off. It's a nice quality kit that Muslogy Auto have put together. In the wireless charging area, I've been asked, does the phone still charge through the mat? And I can answer yes, but sometimes you do have to position it carefully to make sure that it's got that good connection. Here you can see the roast leather look version is actually made up of two layers. It's got a black base layer and then the roast leather look on top, whereas the black one is just a solid piece of material. Here's another comparison next to the roast leather seats. And as you can see in this lighting, the insert and the leather seat look very similar indeed. So there you go. Ultimately the choice is yours. I've gone with a mix of both. I've got some roast and some black, just depending. If they're on show, it's the roast ones. If they're kind of hidden away, I've just got the black ones in there because chances are they're going to get dirty. Anyway, these are a great product from Muslogy Auto. Check out the links to the products in the description below. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you next time.